welcome back, y'all. It's Prissyshay. What's up? I'm about to do a vlog, y'all, before I, head to my trip. Right now I'm at Ulta. Well, I'm going to Ulta right now. About to see if I can get my birthday gift. So yeah, and I want to bring you guys with me to see Ulta or Target. I might go to Target, I don't know. Yeah, so if you're new here, like, comment, subscribe, click on the notification bell, comment down below. And yeah, stay tuned to this vlog, y'all. I like this. I need a scrub, so I might get this scrub. I love this brand. So yeah, Ulta, check it out. If you ain't seen my video, check the video from last night. Vegan body polish. I'm gonna get this one. Right now I'm just browsing around. I don't really need much. Just trying to see what I need to get. Gentle steam eye mask. I need some travel size stuff. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe can I find this few, y'all, so I'm waiting. I'm done with Ulta. All I needed was a face scrub. Car, don't be speeding over here. Nah, hair. You hurry up, because these cars crazy and never true. Yeah, that's all I needed, just a face scrub. I didn't really need much. Because I ain't trying to spend too much, trying to save my little dollars for Atlanta. For my trip this weekend. Let me hear about it. Miami weather is always on and off. It's raining and sunny, raining and sunny. Like, damn. I'm debating should I go to Target. Because, once you go to a store, you end up spending some money. I don't need nothing. I just want to go look. Well, Target it is, so stay tuned. Hey. Target, here we come. What the hell are they looking for? Damn, it's early. They're already looking for somebody in the helicopter. Jesus, that like my outfit? I forgot what I got it from. I don't know. But yeah, y'all, come shopping me. I'm trying not to buy too much thing. I'm not getting no damn buggy. I'm getting a basket, so I don't spend too much money. So yeah, stay tuned. Yes, Shea Moisture. Yeah, Shea Moisture is the balm for your skin. If you have acne breakout, get the black soap edition. This is the section I need, travel size. Got me some stuff right here. So let me bring him some oil, face wash, body soap, deodorant. Yeah. So that's all I really wanted, just to get some travel stuff, Not too much. So you guys gonna watch me pack. So later on when I go home, you guys gonna watch me pack my stuff. And yeah, that's all I need in Target. Yeah, y'all, when I go home, I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Target. Right now, I'm just, ready to go to Aventura Mall. Hold on, y'all. Let me load this down. I'm about to go to Aventura Mall, go to Sephora. Yeah, I work at Sephora. I could have got my birthday gift where I worked at, but when I go to work, I'll be ready to go home, ready to clock out. I forgot. So yeah, I want to get my birthday gift before I forget. That's the only reason I'm going to Sephora, and that's the only thing I'm going to get. I'm not trying to spend too much. I might stop by Morphe store just to look at stuff. I'm not buying too much, y'all. Tell you, it's like once you get inside a store, you say you're going to buy one thing, next you know you're buying the whole store. That's crazy. But yeah, y'all, so yeah. I'll see you guys when I get to Aventura Mall. So y'all, just got to the mall. I'm about to head to Sephora right now. It's dead right now. It's quiet. Maybe because it's Wednesday and everybody probably in school. Everybody don't want to shop, whatnot. See, I'm walking right now. Looking all cute. But yeah, so. Yeah, like y'all come to Morphe, they got stuff on sale, y'all. $2 for this highlighting stick. $2. I did say I'm not gonna spend too much, but if I see a sale, I'm getting it. Shit. See, I was in and out. In and out. Got the birthday gift. Got my liquid eyeliner. And I just got an Inky Liz facial cleanser. It's a new one that came out. Our store don't have it yet. So I wanted to buy it now so I could try it out on my trip. So yeah, that's all I wanted. Now my last stop is MAC. I ain't gonna buy nothing in MAC. I just want to see if they got that glitter that I really need for my outfit for next week. And trying to see do they have birthday gifts. So I'm trying to get all the gifts I could get. You feel me? My birthday next week Tuesday, so I'm trying to get all the gifts. See ya. Catch y'all on MAC. You feel me? Yeah, yo, that's all I got was the glitter. I'm gonna share what I got when I get home. That's all I needed, so I'll see you guys when I'm driving. Just got in my car, so now I'm on my way home. I gotta run a few errands with my mom, so yeah. So I'll see you guys when I go back home, when I start packing for my trip. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna bring, and I'm gonna show you what I bought at the mall and at the other store, and I'm gonna show you my birthday gift that I got from Sephora. And yeah, so yeah, just keep on watching this vlog, y'all. Just, you know, stay tuned to it. So I'll see you guys in a few. Later. About to do my hair today, y'all. Just the wig, my supplies, all of this. Just finished braiding my hair. About to put that lace in my hair. I look crazy, y'all. Ooh, I look bald-headed. I look crazy. Yeah. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna get slayed, y'all. My cousin's gonna lace down his wig. She's gonna lay down the wig, y'all. My cousin's gonna let that thing slay. Can't wait for the finished look, so yeah, stay tuned for the process. Okay. Yes, wig is laid. Hair bleak. Girl, imagine when the sun. Like, see, look at the filter, Celine. You see how the color look in the filter? Yes, oh, let me show them the lint. Cause I know they want to see the lint.
It's not, you know, it's curls, so it's even.
Y'all, I just got home so tired. It was raining. I'm done. My cousin laid down my lace wig. Look at them edges, girl. Look at them edges. I'm ready for my trip. Don't mind this, y'all. I still got this. I'm gonna wash it off later. But yeah, let me show y'all what I got from the mall, from Target, Ulta, Morphe, Mac. Let me show you what I got, okay? Okay, this is all the stuff that I got from earlier. This is from the Morphe store. I was telling y'all earlier how they got stuff on sale. This is the Morphe highlighter stick. This was $2. And, you know, I love me some Morphe lip liner. This is called Richie. I have another one called Trendsetters, like a dark brown lip liner. This was $6. So that's all I got from Morphe store. Of course, I had to go to Sephora to get my birthday gift. I really wanted this liquid liner. The Sephora collection, waterproof, long lasting. You know, this is the brush tip. I will show you on my hand, but that's too much to do. This is my, oh, I'm doing too much. This is my birthday gift from Sephora. This is the only gift I got from today. Ulta, I have to wait next week. This is the Moroccan oil. This is the health cream, the oil, and the body serum. I really needed that. And then you know me, I love me some skincare. This is the Inky List. This is the skincare that I'm using right now. This is their new face wash, the Fulvic Acid Brightening Cleanser. Brighten skin, gently remove makeup. This is the clean. I have the salicylic acid cleanser that I'm using now because I was breaking out. That's been working a lot. What else? Okay, no more Sephora. It's there. You know me, I had to go to Mac. It was $23, but it was 25% off, something like that. Yeah, it was like $17, $18 with a discount. This called Silver Stars. Because I went to the other Mac store by my job in Brickell City Center. They didn't have no more, but the lady gave me a sample, which she was not supposed to give me a sample, but she still looked out. So I really wanted the whole thing because I really wanted to try it out before, you know, I wanted to try the glitters in my eyes before I actually apply it. Because the little bit of sample that she gave me, I wanted to use that to see if it looked nice, and I'll keep this for the day of my birthday. You already know I went to Ulta, so I got the Truly brand, the face scrub, because I really needed the face scrub. Matcha scrub, whipped face scrub. I need to open and see how it smells. Put that there. This is Target. I'll show Target after. This is Bath and Body Works. You know me, I had to go to Bath and Body Works. They always have a sale, $3.95 hand soap. You know, wash your hands, lady, wash your hands, men and women. This is the new one, raspberry tangerine. I really want to buy like the body spray. There was a lot of good stuff they had today. I didn't want to spend too much. I already got too much Bath and Body Works in my closet. So I really wanted to get, you know, this because I like to put it in my bathroom. And also, of course, I had to get the hand sanitizer. I had to rack up because, you know, I'm about to take my flight. Vanilla coconut and, what is this? Pineapple mango. Last but not least, Target. You know how to get some travel stuff for my toothbrush. Got some deodorant, cucumber scent. I got one for me and my sister. I got, you know, another container to put my stuff because I ain't playing no game. I got to do my skincare routine when I be over there. It's another container as well, travel size. And, you know, my right side of my face been breaking out. So I have the lotion, like the dry lotion for the acne spot thing. So this is the overnight resurfacing serum, H&A BHA, blemish prone skin. I really love Shea Motion. It's really good. I think that's it. So yeah, y'all, that's what I got today when I went to the mall earlier, when I went to the store. I was gonna show y'all, you know, me packing for my trip, but that's a lot of work, so I'm tired. I'm just gonna pack a few things and then pack some more tomorrow. Yeah, that's about it. Let me show you my outfit and back up. This is from Shein, y'all. Shein, just make sure y'all catch, you know, or if you guys bitch about try on hauls, make sure you guys check that try on haul as well. I'm ready to look fine for I'm ready for my trip, y'all. Ready to look fine. Uh-oh. But anyway, just make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Stay tuned for my vlog this weekend, you know. If you guys don't want to miss out, just click on notification bell. So yeah, it was nice, you know, seeing y'all today. I like my wig. Oh yeah, this is a Brazilian 30-inch wig. Of course, it don't look 30-inch because it's all curled up. But yeah, y'all. So stay tuned to the vlog, okay? Just make sure you subscribe, do all the good stuff. Share my videos, okay? So see y'all next time. Bye.